Alright, we're going to create an event in our calendar. So first we're going to click on this icon right here. It's going to bring this up, and then you're going to just pull up the big one. Okay, and then you're going to choose a date. I'm going to do February 10th. You can add a title. You need to add a title, so test event, invite attendees. We can do you can choose a time, or you can do all day. I'm gonna just leave it at 8 and 8:30. You need to pick a location. You can have it remind you at any time before, or you can do never, or you can add an email reminder. I'm going to add a description. This is a test event, and then we're going to attach a document. Just going to do one of the PowerPoints from our class. And then we're going to, please wait to save. Oh, we're waiting on the document to download. And there we go. We have an event on our calendar sent. Also going to demonstrate how to use some of the advanced features. So I'm gonna come here, we're gonna center ourselves. We're gonna add a subject. This is gonna be the test email, blah blah blah. So this is how you can send an email later. You can customize the date it'll be sent on and the time that it can be sent on. So that just means the email won't send until then.